Get ready to fund your pocket option journey and start trading in just a few simple steps. Welcome to our guide on depositing funds into your pocket option account. We'll walk you through everything you need to know to add money quickly and securely. First, after logging into your pocket option account, look for the prominent deposit button, usually found in the top right corner or within your account dashboard. Clicking deposit will take you to a page listing all the available payment methods. Pocket option offers a wide range, including popular credit, debit cards like Visa and MasterCard, wallets such as Perfect Money, and various cryptocurrencies. Select your preferred deposit method. For card payments, you'll need to enter your card number, expiry date, CVV code, and the cardholder's name, just like you would for any online purchase. Ensure all details are accurate to avoid any issues. Next, enter the amount you wish to deposit. Pocket option usually has a minimum deposit requirement, so make sure your chosen amount meets that. Once you enter the amount, you'll often see a confirmation screen detailing the transaction. Review it carefully. After confirming the deposit, you'll typically be redirected to your payment provider's secure page for final authorization. Once approved, your funds will be reflected in your pocket option account almost instantly, although crypto deposits might take a few minutes depending on network confirmations. Pocket option prioritizes the security of your transactions. They use advanced encryption to protect your financial information. Always ensure you are on the official Pocket option website and that your internet connection is secure when making deposits. And that's it. Depositing funds on Pocket option is straightforward. Now you're ready to explore the trading platform. Happy trading!